Yeah. So far, I've had like some really good experiences with using JavaScript and just trying to make sure that we have like a cohesive environment. When it comes to coding, we always want that. We always want ourselves to have like a conducive environment and all that kind of stuff. So um, yeah, I just really think mentally someone should be really like in a really good position for you to develop because it really requires a lot of mental concentration from someone from you as a person, and it doesn't mean that you need to do that much in terms of coding and stuff. So um yeah, so basically that's my take on JavaScript and all. um JavaScript has been quite a promising language ever since it came out, and people have been using it for quite a lot of things. And right now we have Node.js, which basically came out such a long time ago. But the fact that we have Node and it's using JavaScript, so essentially you can use JavaScript for the backend. You can also use JavaScript in your front end. So you have like one language that you're using for both front and back end. So that's sort of like a good thing uh, to have in your project. It also means that you only need to learn like one language. Of course, we have people, because we have a lot of PHP coming from our background. It is basically what we've had or what we've been using for quite a lot of times, and most people still use PHP. So you find that even though Node is there, and various servers, many servers right now that people do create, or even for your backend in the web, most people even prefer to use Node. But I still think that there is still a vast majority of people who are still using PHP, and PHP is beginner friendly. So you find that when someone is getting into web development, that is actually the first language that they're going to use for their backend, to make requests and all that. So it's quite easy. It's quite easy to set up. Of course, most of the time, someone wants to learn fast. Just find that you'll find yourself in a situation where, even though you want to have like the best um, application, even though you really know that you don't have quite the experience at the moment. So yeah, some people just want to learn a lot and learn fast, and yeah, so someone would prefer to go for something that is easy, and that is PHP. So yeah, PHP is really easy. PHP is easy. I think for me, it took me only 2 days to learn like PHP. Not really like to be an expert, but I could do something, and just within minutes, because of how functional PHP is. Because PHP has like a lot of built-in functions that you can use as a person and you can use as a developer, um, which means you don't really have to write like algorithmic code all the time or most of the time. If you want to sort an array, we have like built-in functions for you. If you want to uh, do something like capitalize um, the first letter, capitalize a word, or it has like all the great stuff for you. So everything is just really cool. I really think that maybe the heartbeat of PHP that someone may come later to realize is maybe the fact that PHP is a server-side language, and most people, okay, they do realize, but don't really understand what a server side language is, and what's the difference between this and JavaScript, um, and all of that stuff. So yeah, but I think yeah, PHP is really beginner friendly. If you want to get into tech, I my personal opinion would be go for PHP, man. Go for PHP. You don't really have to do like uh, be scared or anything. Go for PHP. It's a really good language, and it has a future in RESTful APIs. So yeah, why not? Just go for PHP. Yeah, for me right now, I would like to do more of separate backend and frontend. So I'm currently doing Angular and PHP as my backend. So I create a RESTful API using PHP, and then I use Angular as my frontend. Yeah, that also works really fine. I've tried using it. I've built a couple of applications using that. It has been fantastic. It has been fantastic. Quite a journey. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is just me coming out of the blues, being like, yeah, yeah, this is what I've been doing the whole week, and yeah, I'm just happy. I'm just happy. So yeah, this is I don't know my third video maybe uploading on YouTube. So yeah, just that's it. Just share, subscribe if you like the video. Yeah, like it also. Yeah, actually, if you like it, just like the video, man. Like the video. Yeah, I actually got two viewers in my last video, and that was good. That was really good. I haven't been doing like any marketing for these videos, and then I got two views. Oh my god, that is crazy. That is crazy, man. Mm, I love it. I love it, guys. Okay, see you in the next one, which I don't even know when that will be, but just see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.